Huzur was later laid to rest in the Bahishti Maqbara, next to Hadrat Amar Jan's final resting place. The death of Hadrat Mirza Bashiruddin Mahmud Ahmad, Khalifatul Masih II and Musleh Maud brought to end a most eventful career, resplendent with far-reaching enterprises, leadership and guidance. A man of astonishing strength and unending love, of versatile genius and dynamic personality. There was hardly a sphere of contemporary thought and life during the past half-century, from religious scholarship, missionary organization, and even political leadership, on which Hadrat Musleh Maud did not leave the deepest of imprints.
जब कभी मौका मिले तुमको दुआएं खास का याद कर लेना हमें अहले वफाए कादिया याद कर लेना हमें अहले फज़ले उमर तेरे ओ साफ़ करीमाना है फज़ले उमर तेरे ओ साफ़ करीमाना याद आके बनाते हैं याद आके बनाते हैं हर रूह को दीवाना याद आके बनाते